Kyojiro,
Yes, what is it, Mother?
I want to ask you something. And I want you to answer honestly.
No, ma'am, I don't!
It is so that you can protect the weak. Those who are born blessed with more bountiful gifts than others are obligated to use those gifts for the sake of the world. It is the duty of those born strong to help those who may be less fortunate. A responsibility you must carry onward with due purpose. Be sure you never forget that.
I won't!